In today's video, I want to talk about foam rolling. So, what basically is foam rolling, and is it beneficial? And why do people even use it? What is it for? So, a lot of you guys know what foam rolling is because it's very popular. It's very popular. A lot of people use it for, general exercise, stretching, and so on. And basically, the foam roll is that big, foam thing that's a little bit hard, and it's used to basically, I know this sounds weird, but it's basically to massage yourself. I know it's funny, but that's what it's used for. It's for basically self-massaging yourself. Your muscles, your aching joints, that's what it's used for. If you have an ache in your, lower back, there's a lot of stretching exercises with the foam roller, and you can really, get into those. It's just like a massage, because when you get a massage, it really makes your muscles and those aching, ligaments really loose because they're tight. When you're in pain, they're tight, and when you go get a massage, those ligaments and those, muscles get loose, so you don't feel pain anymore. And that's the same kind of principle with the foam roller, but you do it yourself. So you got a lot of exercises, tutorials on the internet about this. But what's my opinion on the foam roller? I actually have a foam roller at home. I bought it once a few years ago, just because I was curious, and sometimes you get those aches, in your lower back, in your, the lats, sometimes maybe in your calves, you get those aches, and sometimes it really does help. I tested out the foam roller. It's not something magical that's gonna lift up all your pains, but it does make it better. I know once I had this really bad low back pain, and I grabbed the foam roller and I went on it for about 10-15 minutes, and I really felt better. It didn't hurt that much anymore, so it does help. It's not some magical solution that's gonna lift all your pain away, but it does help, and that's what it's used for. So should you buy it? It's based on your preferences. If you want to, buy it. If you're an older guy who trains and has a lot of pains and aches, everywhere, maybe get a foam roller. But if you don't want to, if you don't need one, then it's not that important. It's not the most important equipment ever. So I don't know if you should buy it. That's based on your preference, but it's not that expensive. It's 20 to 50 bucks, something like that. But it's all based on your goals and what you want. If you want it, if you want to test it out, if you have aches and you want something to help you, then by all means buy it, get it. But if you're skeptical, or you don't have that much pain, aches anywhere, you don't need it. If you want it, yeah, go get it. But if you don't want it, you don't need it. It's just a tool to help you, ease a little bit of the pain you get from very hard training, from tight, stiff muscles, and it helps. I'm not gonna lie, it does help. You know, it's not magic, it's not gonna help you 100%, but in some cases, in some, you know, muscles, ligaments, it does help. I tested it out, it helped me. I still have it at home. Sometimes I still use it. You know, when I have a bad pain anywhere in my muscles, I still use it. So to conclude this video, it does help. You know, it's not gonna alleviate all the pain, but it does help. So like I said, if you want it, then for 20-30 bucks, get it, you know. But if you don't want it, there's really no special need for it. You're not gonna have less results and less progress with it. You know, your life's not gonna be 1,000,000% better with it, so it's not necessary and you don't need it. But if you want it, it does help. But that's your choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video really helped you out. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.